Howto, the voice drill. Shout out my boy, Demi TV.
It's Wave God in this motherfucker. Hey, shout my nigga Demi T though.
Got the song pop like I'm Iggy. All they talking about is last night like I'm Demi. Say you got.
Rupees donated $5. Damn ski pulled the Michael.
Dean TV Cooler merch in the description box. Go copy, son. Click the link in the description box below and support your boy. Got a sweet potatoes boiling on high. Got sweet potatoes boiling. You feel me? These shit's gonna be hot and ready. And y'all already know we're making the sweet potato cornbread. Yeah, you feel me? Got your eggs right here. Got 4. Using the remainder of them. MukBang the cinnamon. We're gonna use this. Cut this up, put it in there, warm it up in the microwave. You're finna make them ha. Please put these shits out, break these shit out in the pot, cause these shit steaming right now. Big buddy old power, yeah, sure. Put it by Orton. You feel me? Yeah, this shit steaming. You can hear this thing's talking. Be streaming. Yeah, good Lord Molly. Holy moly. Oh my life. Shit, smoking, steaming, steam. Also, you want to go in the cold water on it so you cool it off. You feel me? So the easy peeling. You want that sit for a little bit. You feel me? I said a little bit. You feel me? Yeah. We gonna take these, pull it out, then we going into. It's great. We're gonna peel the skin off of it, then put it in it. And you feel me?
Down by the potato side. Down by the potato side. Down by the potato side. I say down by the potato side. Down by the sweet 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 potato side.
Also, work as you clean as you work, because you don't want to have a bunch of stuff to clean up after. You feel me? Pet peeve 101. Yeah. You want to pinch at that bit, pinch away at the skin so it peel away. Ooh, like it's nothing. You feel me? You want to do that. Effortlessly. Oh my God, y'all probably like, what did you just say, nigga? What did you say? Epilepsy? Nigga, what? This shit soft as fuck, actually. God dang. Why they cook that bit too long? I saw these bitches there. Down by the riverside. Down by the riverside. We down by the riverside now, baby. Oh shit. Come on now. There we go. We down by the riverside. There we go.
Down by the riverside. Down by the riverside.
Clutch, right? You see this shit just slide right off. This is why it's so clutch to boil it at perfection. You feel me? Putting y'all on game. What the fuck? This shit getting put off. What the fuck is that? Here come this piece. Look how sweet. Look how it's easy peeling, man. Who you know can peel like me? Nobody. Who you know can peel sweet potato like me, baby? Nobody, baby. And they keep saying, oh, peel that motherfucking tater. Peel that motherfucking tater. Peel that potato. Yan, baby, yan, tater. Oh, your potato head ass. Oh, why you got a potato head? Oh, yes you do. Well, you need a for love. Oh, yes I will. Oh, yes I will. If you need me enough, I'll do this, yeah. Oh, yes I will. You can do it like me. Nobody. What the fuck? Because this is why they don't want to cook it that long. There's a lot of pieces that's like, woof, no. It's saying no, nigga. We can't do it. It's not peeling. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Fuck! Sorry, sweet potato. God damn. Gotta put your mama cap back blue. This shit hot as fuck. God damn. This one did more difficult than all of them. This the fattest one. Ah! Oh! Oh! This shit hot as fuck. And look how that came down to after all that stuff. Went through all that. Did do all that. Bruh, that's ridiculous. I'm pissed. All that hard work. With that little shit. Ain't no way. That's bullshit. That's some bullshit. That was it's a vibration. No hesitation. Running with my arms up. Take me to the higher place. I'm on the road. On the highest stage. Nowhere to go. Light the way. I can top the road along my way. She's sweet potatoes. What I'm gonna do is blend this all up first. Then I'm gonna put the ingredients like the eggs and all the other stuff first in that bit. We're gonna cut the potatoes. Shit. Cut the potato stuff first. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while. Oh, fuck. Now we finna put the additional addings in a bit now, you feel me? Got ice cream. Putting 2 cups of it, 2 cups, 4 cups of it in here. Come on now. Then you got your butter. Your melted butter. Then you got your for your cinnamon. I went crazy with the cinnamon, you see. Then nutmeg, oh shit. I always go sweet, crazy with the sugar because the sugar is the biggest piece of this. Yeah, I put a lot. Then crack an egg. With no cracks in it. If you want to do like me, pro egger, you feel me? Pro egger, demon egger. No cracks and shells. Make sure you get no cracks and shells. You want to crack that bit perfect. Now, bringing on the brown sugar. And put that brown sugar in that bit. Now that's to make it sweet. Cause right now, you eat that bit now, that bit gonna taste plain as fuck. You ain't gonna call this sweet potato pie. We gonna call this bland pie. But today we making we making cornbread sweet potatoes. You feel me? Cause Dean family, these motherfuckers here, they got everything this time. They got all the pie crust, Dean family. They'll be bored with nothing to get. This shit look delicious. Look how that bit. Look how it look, Dean family. Blend to perfection. Now we gotta put this in the pot with the pies and stir that bit up. Now we finna pour the potatoes in the big bowl here. Damn, that's a lot for real. Matter of fact, let me see something real quick. Oh shit. Here we go again. That's the flavor and the season. That's all, everything in there. This is just, yeah. Wait, can I put this shit in here? Wait a minute. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try something first. We're gonna do something first. We're gonna test this out first. If this works, we're gonna just dump everything we put in this big bowl here inside here. You feel me? So we can speed up the process of making this cornbread. Cause we literally been in this bed for 2 hours, you feel me? Y'all just don't know. Literally, edits and cuts to literally MVP. And see, did it work? Shit, that bit worked. So what's gonna happen is exactly what I said we're gonna do. Put that in here, type shit. Damn, this bit overflowing low key a little bit. Oh shit. So it ain't gonna happen like that actually. So I ain't gonna be able to do it like this. This bit gonna overflow. I ain't trying to mess up. You feel me? So right here we're gonna take this bit out, pour this bit in the pot right here. You know what I'm talking about? Fuck. Empty all that bit out. This shit smells good. Down sweet, drop with it, lean with it, rock with it, snap with it. Then you found out finna have y'all look at that bit real quick. My hands sticky messy enough for Howto right now. But yeah, anyways, either here or there. Yeah, that bit licky. Lick and split, you feel me? Just the last little bit of it. Oh shit. Oh shit. use this pot we have here to dump our ingredients into the pan here. Yeah. Damn, son. I made a lot. Shit. So it is gonna be a cornbread. Shit, all this shit. This shit look nasty dropping out like this. I bet y'all like, damn, stop it. This look disgusting. I apologize, y'all, but I don't understand. Oh, fuck. Homemade sweet potato pie cornbread. I'm even everything out right now. That shit looks messy. I can't lie. This might be well worth 2 hours. This might be well worth 2 hours doing this shit. I can't lie. We're gonna get back, come back when it's done, you feel me? And it's gonna be how I looked before we put it in the oven.